What's up, Conversation Nation? Are you ready for the daily conversation?
Is that you, Conversation
As
Nation?
humans, we think it is not us that define culture, but culture that defines us. Are you ready?
Flipping the script on you a little bit.
Welcome back to the daily conversation. All right, so as part of our Thanksgiving week, we have two special topics set aside right for you. One of those topics is, of course, none other than food. But let's get into it right now, and whether you celebrate the holiday or not, we can all talk about some good grubbing. All right, first up we have admire. Names people worth admiring in relation to food. First off, shout out to my wife who be holding it down in the kitchen each and every day. Anyone that has a family member, parent, spouse, whoever, they live with you and they cook you delicious meals every day. Please appreciate them, admire them, send them a text or a message saying happy Thanksgiving if you're in America, but also just send them a message in general saying, hey, you cook some bomb food. Other people that I admire are those that inspire us. At my house, one of the cooks that really inspired my mother was none other than the amazing Rachel Ray. And I remember coming in and seeing her watching these videos, and Rachel Ray was always holding it down with a big old smile, a warm, fuzzy attitude that made eating sound like a pastime. But my final shout out that I'll give for admire is my favorite cooking show personally, Cutthroat Kitchen. What a wild show. If you haven't seen it, please check that out. Imagine MacGyver meets cooking. All right, let's get to our next card here, which is our perspective. And let's see what our perspective on food is going to be today. Joy. How can food bring us joy and fulfillment? Well, from a psychological perspective, it gives us that beautiful endorphin, dopamine. It sends it to our brain, and that's why they say McDonald's is as addictive as smoking or drinking. But is that joy? And is that fulfillment? Is eating just to eat truly going to bring us fulfillment? Or, flipping the script on you, is fulfillment through food mastery, control, and balance? Is it important to enjoy flavor? Absolutely. But is it more important to understand and have a relationship with your food where you feel connected and positive to it, not like you're always having a battle against it? And let's get to our modifier for today and wrap things up here. We've got a few left. Let's take this one. Let's do a rule. I'm going to give a little bit of a rule. And hey, if you're enjoying today's conversation, please give a like or a share or just tell a friend so you guys can have the conversation together. Now, let's talk about a rule about food. What I'm going to say is that we should all make sure at least on a basic level of what's in our food, chemicals, and also ingredients. Are you getting the balance of the rainbow nutrients? Are you having an understanding of what you've actually eaten in a week? We try to teach our son just having an awareness of it. That it's important to understand not only whether things are healthy or not, but just to understand today, did you have some fruits? Did you have some vegetables? Did you have some protein? That's my rule about food, is that we should all know a little bit more about what's going in our bodies. What do you think? Are there other important rules and laws that we need to keep in mind when it comes to how we get down with the grub? Leave your thoughts down below. And that does it for me in today's daily conversation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving if you're in America, and I'll see you next time.